in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Johnson County in north central Texas, northwestern Hill County in central Texas, southwestern Ellis County in north central Texas, until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lake Cleburne, or near Cleburne, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Location: Hillsborough, Keene, Italy, Itasca, Grandview, Mayfield, Bloom, Covington, Benham, Carl's Corner, Lake Cleburne, Parker, Rio Vista, Milford, Coyote Flats, Sen Fled, Osceola, and Woodbury. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for central and north central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Indoors immediately. Lightning can kill. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Flash flood warning.